So it was a fantastic, it was an awesome, and it was, I think, a memorable experience journeying with all of you for the last 6 days. It seems like we came here as strangers, but we are going back as a family. And truly speaking, you are now a part of my extended family. It's a huge family. About 130 of them are all there, but you will get added to that hugeness, and it is not so huge. You will be interacting with them, you will be interacting with me, you will be putting across your cases, you will be responding to others' cases. A whole lot of conversation will continue henceforth. As a matter of fact, your real journey as a therapist begins now. Also, for those who have gone for certification, it will get further strengthened with application of this learning. But otherwise, also, you can go ahead and start practicing batch flower therapy, client centric batch flower therapy. So I would request each one of you to, if you can, spare and share a few words on how has been your experience of these last 6 days. Any message that you have for the world, for those who intend to be practitioners, and whatever you feel like. This is your space. So please go ahead. As usual, we don't have any order. So please don't wait for anybody, just come and speak.
Hi, sir. This is Shruti, and I would like to share here that it's been a wonderful journey. Like during these 6 days, I've learned a lot, especially about the client-centric approach. It was totally new for me. I have learned Bashcraft from a couple of mentors earlier also, but this is like the, I mean, it is the must course for everyone out who is looking to go professionally in this field, because the client centric approach I have learned is truly marvelous, and it's actually an eye opener for me. So thank you so much for your, thank you very much for this journey. Thank you very much.
Okay. Hi everyone, I am Nidhi Beni, and as just what Shruti ji said, I also came in this course, with previous knowledge of batch flower. But to be very honest, I would say that previous knowledge which I was carrying with me was only 10%. The rest 90% has been all new for me, all eureka moments for me, giving me answers to a lot of questions which were hovering across my mind for all many years. And the most important part, before I really, get to do, something with a client, the most important thing which started on the first day, and we ended with the same note on the last date also, the last, that is today, when we are like parting ways out here, not parting ways, we are family, as sir said. The NTO part. So one message that I would like to give across, which sir also has kind of beautifully told us across all these 6 days, is, we are, instruments of divine. So I believe in this concept of Aham Brahmasmi. I am divine, and the person I'm talking to, I'm touching the person's life. He's touching or she's touching my life as well. So Aham Brahmasmi, Tvam Brahmasmi. So that is my learning. And before I help others, I think I will help myself through this course. So it's a must course. You'll get so many of your questions answered, and you will sleep in peace, which I'm going to do from today onwards. So thank you so much.
Hi, hello everyone. So Neha this side. So I have also some previous learning with, I'm level 1 certified, but it was just like point something percent. But as this course with the Indranil sir states that it transforms lives with the, we can transform lives with Bhakra therapy, but it's truly justify the thing. Like we can transform other lives also, but before that, our lives have been transformed by him. So we are really grateful to you, sir. And I strongly recommend everyone who want to learn about backflow therapy and how they can practice it in future, how they can help their family, friends, and even themselves. They must go with this course. Thank you so much, sir.
Happy evening. I am Kiran. I've seen so many healing modalities, but as a layman, I didn't know about anything about this black flowers remedies. What is black flower also I didn't know at all. So to sir, I'm very happy that now I'm to the mark where I could see practice these black flower remedies for myself and to others. I'm very happy, sir. Thank you very much for giving us this course, and thank you very much in gratitude, sir. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं कविता राठी। वैसे तो मैं इस बैचलर रेमेडी के लिए टोटली न्यू थी, लेकिन अभी मैं बहुत कुछ समझ चुकी हूँ, जान चुकी हूँ, और सर ने जिस तरीके से समझाया है हर चीज की गहराई को कि कैसे रूट कॉज तक जाना है, कैसे क्लाइंट से कनेक्ट होना है, कैसे उन्हें समझना है, और इस प्रैक्टिस में क्लाइंट के साथ साथ मुझे सबसे अच्छा पार्ट ये भी लगा कि मैं खुद को भी समझना मेरे लिए अब आसान हो गया है। और जैसा कि सर ने बताया है कि हम खाली एक डिवाइन इंस्ट्रूमेंट हैं, बाकी करने वाला पूरा डिवाइन ही है। तो वाकई में ये लाइफ चेंजिंग कोर्स था, जो कि जिसकी की शुरुआत अब होगी, जर्नी की शुरुआत अब होगी। And thank you so much, sir, for all this knowledge.
A very good evening to all. I am Kanika, and I first would have to thank sir for imparting us with this knowledge. Jisne really, it has changed my life, transformed me from inside. I have started to see humans like in a very different way, and I too want to like bring change in people's lives, but not from the perspective of where illness is seen. But now through these 6 days, I have I started to see people as human beings, as divine, and I feel that this is the best thing ever, because this will actually take us to the root cause, and then only when we address the root cause can we heal anything. So this has been an incredible journey, and I would invite everybody to do this. I feel that this is an opportunity not to be missed by anybody, even if you wish to practice or not. But yeah, I feel that it has changed me, and it would change thousands of others, and I wish that for everybody. And thank you so much, sir, for this beautiful journey of 6 days, and would love to transform many lives and ourselves, and actually be of good use to the society. Thank you.
Hi, myself Padma Priya. Actually, I learned the batch flower 6 months before, but after learning the flowers, I keep on saying the names only, the remedies names, and I started figuring out everyone in the same way. But after joining this course only, I came to know that first we have to understand a person. So without understanding a person, it's like labeling with remedies, it's not good. So that main part first I learned from sir, and it does not seems like a class. It seems like very like a school only, I can say. We enjoyed a lot, and we get too much interactions with each other, and I have to thank sir from my bottom of my heart, because he explains each and everything very clearly, and as like a student I learned from him, and each and everything was very clear, and like totally I feel very free today. I'm so happy, and I'm very thankful for this class, and I wish if someone is watching this video, surely they have to join this course, because it's not about only about the batch remedies. It's about the class and about understanding about the human beings first, so that we can able to move forward. Thank you very much.
Good evening. This is Yamini. I have learned and have been practicing the Bash like from 2 years. And to be frank enough, the knowledge I've gained through the course, and I have a half a dozen of books with me, and lot of listening and length of time would go behind each session. But there is something absolutely lacking, that strength to take it further and make it big, where I can claim that I'm healing and transforming people. That was not the claim that I could make it, and that is what led me to this course. And honestly, I'm not disappointed because it has started with laying the foundation from the fundamentals and the synergy of remedies, which is very important to understand, because rest of the courses and books just talk about the information, but the way this is structured, it gives you the confidence to understand, the harmonious way of imparting this practice. And even the way it is all structured is you have enough time to practice. There's a lot of peer learning, there is a lot of reflection and guidance in every step, that by the end of 6 days you can truly gain the trust and the confidence to go ahead and practice. And it has also given that 5I is like the ethical anchor that will hold you to practice. So that's been a very wonderful journey for me, and this is one thing that I would definitely recommend to people. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, so I think with that, we will now, for the time being, bid goodbye till we meet again in a different forum and continue the conversation. Now, you are all practice ready therapists, client centric therapists. So, we are at the same level, right? Only thing is that maybe I will continue to guide you because I carry that bug in me to guide people. And whenever you want to seek guidance, my doors are always open for you. Please feel free. Till such time, have a very good evening, a very good night, and very good working together with some human beings and bringing the humanness out of them, which is perhaps lying somewhere hidden underneath all the limiting blocks and beliefs. Okay? Thank you so much.